So this thing was leaking, so we're gonna try to find out why it was leaking. Yes, really a problem. That's what the problem is right there. So it's supposedly with that problem right there. So apparently when this arm doesn't spin, it creates a leak that you can't find out where the leak is coming from. It normally is this. So apparently somehow this failed. See the arm? And apparently it's touching the heat element right there. So I'm gonna leave it right where it is. See, there's another part that's missing here. So as you can see right there, it's probably like that. So the bath. So we'll just go ahead and replace this.